How about this one, Will? Las Vegas slot machine for cars, for used cars. It dispenses cars. This was really, they look like candy in there, don't they?
Yeah.
This is kind of cool. When I first saw this, I thought of the BMW dealerships around here that do something kind of like this on the side of the highway. But then I realized, no, you actually go retrieve your car from here. It works like a vending machine. Elevator goes up, picks the car. You buy the car online. It's a used car, which also seems kind of strange. Like they got to load this thing up with used cars every so often. But you see the inventory, you purchase it online, you roll up, they give you a specific coin that you put in the machine, and it goes up and grabs it and you drive away. Fun. Very fun. I feel like I want to buy one of these cars just to have the experience. Maybe I should go down there. Now, actually, this is not their first vending machine. They have 28 car vending machines in the U.S. How have I not heard of this? Oh. I don't know. These machines hold up to 39 cars that are stacked up and brought down to ground level with a special car elevator. You browse the cars online on Carvana's website and select to pick it up at a vending machine. Now, if you're not near one of these vending machines, they'll bring it to you. They'll deliver it to your house as well. Okay. This is kind of a fun experience.
Oh, their website is really depressing. They should have showed the vending machine. That would.
Well, I'm sure they should. Well, I'm sure they show it. You got to.
Well, I can't click it here.
Well, I see a clicky hand there. It's a clicky pointer.
I'm trying. I'm clicking.
Wow. A higher state of car buying. How buying from Carvana works. I don't know, man. I feel like...
that's the main thing. That's the main draw. But anyways.
Yeah. Well, it's positioned in Vegas. I'm obviously familiar with Vegas. It's positioned behind the Mirage and Treasure Island Casino. I think some people, they're going to hit the big jackpot and then just quickly order up the car. You know what I mean? Yeah. Something like that.